Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Dynamic, your ultimate destination for classic and vintage automotive history. Today, we're diving into a legend, one of the most iconic trucks of the early 20th century, the 1931 Ford Model A pickup. When you think of a vehicle that defined an era, the Model A stands tall. Introduced in late 1927 as a successor to the Model T, the Model A brought innovation, style, and reliability to the market. By 1931, it had evolved into one of the most refined pickups of its time, blending durability with a sleek, timeless design. The exterior of the 1931 Ford Model A pickup is a work of art. Its bold front grille, large round headlights, and classic spoked wheels give it a commanding presence. The curved fenders and running boards add a touch of elegance, while the wooden bed at the rear showcases Ford's commitment to craftsmanship. Available in a variety of colors, this truck wasn't just about utility, it was a statement. Under the hood, the Model A pickup was powered by a 3.3-liter, four-cylinder engine producing 40 horsepower, a significant upgrade from the Model T's modest performance. It may not seem like much today, but back in the early 1930s, this was a workhorse that farmers, businesses, and everyday drivers relied on. Mated to a 3-speed manual transmission, the truck could reach speeds of up to 65 miles per hour, a remarkable feat for its time. Step inside, and you're transported to a simpler era. The dashboard is minimalistic yet functional, featuring a central speedometer and a handful of basic gauges. The 3-spoke steering wheel is large and commanding, giving drivers full control. The bench seat, wrapped in simple leather, provides a no-frills yet comfortable driving experience. Every element inside this truck serves a purpose, designed with practicality in mind. But what truly made the 1931 Ford Model A pickup special was its versatility. Whether used for transporting goods, farming, or daily commutes, it was built to last. The sturdy chassis, solid axle suspension, and mechanical brakes made it dependable even on rough roads. Ford's innovative engineering ensured that this pickup could handle heavy loads while maintaining a smooth and stable ride. One of the reasons the Model A remains so beloved is its legacy. It wasn't just a vehicle, it was a cultural icon. It represented progress, resilience, and the American spirit of hard work. Today, well-preserved and restored models can be found at car shows, museums, and in the hands of passionate collectors who appreciate its historical significance. Even after nearly a century, the 1931 Ford Model A pickup continues to turn heads. Whether it's the roar of the engine, the classic design, or the nostalgia it carries, this truck is more than just metal and rubber, it's a piece of history. If you love classic cars and vintage trucks, make sure to subscribe to Auto Dynamic for more incredible automotive stories. Don't forget to hit that like button and let us know in the comments, what's your favorite classic truck of all time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.